So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain one of the solutions to a problem that a lot of people have. Now, a lot of people want to invest in cryptocurrency, and particularly being a Canadian, it can be difficult to understand how to get your money from fiat currency, which is Canadian dollars, into Bitcoin, and even more complicated on the other way, getting it from Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency back to Canadian dollars, to fiat currency. So one of the easiest ways to do this is CoinSquare. Okay, for Canadians, this is a great platform that I use personally, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, one of the great things about CoinSquare is if you want to get started with it, you can actually let me log into my account here. So they have a two-factor authentication here, and I use Authy for that. So I'm just going to put that in here. Okay, great. So now we're in the account. So the thing about CoinSquare is you don't want to use the quick trade. They have higher fees for that, but it's really easy to fund. Okay, you can actually fund with Interact eTransfer. You can do a wire transfer too, but Interact eTransfer is really easy. It gets in there very quickly, and there's no, I haven't had a problem with that. So that's how I've actually funded this account, just from eTransfers. Now I want to show you how to do a withdrawal as well, because this is, how it works. So I've already transferred some money into Canadian, out of cryptocurrency and into Canadian. And the withdrawal method, I'm just going to do a direct bank deposit. So it's going to go back into the same account. I'm going to select my account here that's that I've got connected with CoinSquare, and I'm going to enter the amount. Okay, and I'm going to click request withdrawal. So what's going to happen is I'll get an email confirmation, and I should mention this. Yeah, so because I think because I had close to 10 grand in this account, there's a withdrawal restriction. I need to send in a picture of me holding a piece of paper, and send it into support, and they needed to just confirm that, and that's pretty standard. So that's all you need to do in order to get that. That will be in my bank account, like in my Canadian bank account, in just about today is Monday. It'll probably be in there by tomorrow, by Tuesday. It does happen very, very quickly because, again, they're just doing a bank transfer. It's very, very quick, very simple to do. Direct deposit, I should say, and that's how you get your money into from Bitcoin into cryptocurrency. So this works great even if you want to do trading on, let's say, Binance, which is a great platform for trading some of the different alt currencies that CoinSquare doesn't have access to. And yeah, but basically now you know how to get your money. If you want into cryptocurrency, you can actually, say there's some obscure cryptocurrency you want to get. You can get your funds into CoinSquare, and then you transfer that from Bitcoin in CoinSquare over to Binance. You can trade in Binance, and then pick Bitcoin back to CoinSquare, and then once it's in CoinSquare, you can transfer it from Bitcoin to Canadian dollar, and then you can withdraw it. So that's how that works. But I just want to clarify that because a lot of people have been, uncomfortable and just unsure of how to get their money back into real fiat currency. Maybe I shouldn't say real fiat currency. Let's just keep it at fiat currency. How's that? All right, we'll see you in the next video. Hope this video was helpful, and we will see you in the next one.